Imagine crafting your own beer that rivals the best craft beer you can find on tap, all from a single device that fits on your kitchen counter, without the time commitment or complexity of traditional homebrew systems. Introducing BEERMKR. BEERMKR is the world's first all-in-one countertop beer making device that anyone can use. It makes a gallon of commercial quality craft beer in a week's time, and you can monitor your beer's progress on your phone. BEERMKR handles the entire brewing process in one machine, from mashing to fermentation, without ever needing to transfer the beer. Its automated sensing and temperature management systems give your beer commercial-grade control at every stage of the brewing process. The disposable brew pouch lets you start with a fresh, sterile environment each time you brew, eliminating the need to clean and sanitize. The result is flawless craft beer that could rival anything you find on store shelves. There is nothing like drinking a beer that you've just brewed yourself. Brewing is a complex and fragile process that requires a lot of equipment and strict adherence to the best practices to even have a shot at making a drinkable beer. Now, successfully homebrewing beer that's comparable to commercial craft beer takes countless hours of research and years of practice. So here at BEERMKR, we want to turn beer lovers into beer brewers. Whether you're new to brewing or a veteran, BEERMKR automates this complex, time-consuming, and fragile process with professional quality results. This lets you focus on the fun parts of brewing, like exploring and experimenting with new recipes and flavors. BEERMKR's streamlined brewing process is incredibly simple. Fill the system with water, drop your ingredients into the brewing chamber, then start the brew on your phone or tablet. Setting up a brew takes less than 5 minutes. Over the next week, BEERMKR will monitor your beer's progress and send updates to the BEERMKR app. If there are any actions that you need to perform, the app will send you a push notification. When the beer is finished, remove the pouch of finished beer and place it in the included dispenser. Plug in the included CO2 cartridge, and the beer carbonates itself within 24 hours. And cleanup is a snap. Just empty the brew chamber into your compost and rinse out the yeast collection bin. Place both into the dishwasher so they're ready for your next brew. Now you can enjoy your own craft beer on tap right out of your fridge, or on the go. When you are ready to order your next batch of ingredients, the BEERMKR app makes it incredibly simple. Open the app, tap the Store tab, and browse the pre-built recipes available for brewing. Our brewers around the country have spent countless hours tasting and testing each of the recipes of our maker kits. When BEERMKR ships, there will be 6 to 10 recipes to choose from, with more being added to the Maker Store each week. Each maker kit comes with everything you need to make a killer beer. A sterile brew pouch, CO2, and of course, the same grains, hops, and yeast used by craft breweries. While our maker kits were crafted to make great beer, BEERMKR's open system allows you to customize recipes on the fly. Just add new ingredients directly to the brewing chamber. Any sort of ingredient is fair game. Fresh raspberries from your garden? Sure. Oak chips soaked in whiskey? Oh yeah. Hops from your friend's house? Absolutely. Just, be sure to ask them first. If you want to create an entire recipe from scratch, the Maker DIY pack lets you choose your grains, hops, and yeast, which we then pack and ship directly to you. Each pack costs around $12 and can brew 12 beers. That's $1 per 12 ounce of quality craft beer. Ultimately, we want to bring more beer lovers into brewing and to create a global brewing community. We want our app to become a platform for brewers to learn, discuss, and share recipes with each other. We want to change the way people think about beer. Beer has been produced in breweries for ages simply because it was too hard, too complex, and too time-consuming to do so at home. And BEERMKR has the chance to fundamentally change that. We can also reduce beer's carbon footprint by not shipping heavy water, glass, and metal all across the nation. It gives you, the beer drinker, the power to use locally sourced ingredients, the water that you drink every day, and have a creative say in what beer that you're drinking. BEERMKR actually exists. We have prototypes in our office here in Boulder, Colorado, and they'll be on display at the Great American Beer Fest in Denver. However, we need your help to get BEERMKR out of our lab and into full-scale production. If you happen to be in the Boulder area, you're welcome to come by our office and check out BEERMKR for yourself.